when we are in friendship, in relationship with someone, after a while, when they don't need us, they change. For example, now they need you, for example, for money or anything, they stay good. But after they become independent, then you say, oh, they've changed, they're not the same person now. When I married my wife, my husband was very good because she needed a visa. And now when she has a visa, they change. So when they, for example, when they need money for business, someone, when they become independent, they've changed. When they wanted their nappies to be changed by their mother, they are very obedient. And when they reach maturity, now actually they are a different person. When they are your friend, normal, they are always with you. When they become a star or a big politician, you say they don't want to know you. So people say, oh, wealth changes people, authority changes people, and power changes people, and journey, traveling. When people travel, they are quite normal, and they say, oh, I went to, like say, Iraq or whatever, Umrah or any trip, oh, that person really changed. He's a different person. He was different here, and what he during the journey, he snapped out easily. He was very sensitive and things. So there's a secret there which Sayyidina Ali radiallahu anhu revealed. He says, no, that's not true. Wealth doesn't change people. Authority doesn't change people. The journey doesn't change people. Power does not change people. It only reveals people's reality. This is the deeper meaning. It doesn't change. That person was same as before, but because he or she he needed you at that time, they were camouflaged as very, very sincere. But now when they become independent, oh, I've got this now, I've got money, I've got business, I've got authority. Now they don't phone you, they don't actually even let you talk to them. Now they have fans and they don't want actually even be with them, etc., etc. You say, oh, these people change. No, they've never changed. They were the same before as well. Only at that time, they wanted, they needed you, so they remain hidden. So Sayyidina Ali radiallahu anhu says, beware that these people you say, oh, this person changed now because he's in power, he has authority, he has fame, and they've not changed. They were the same before as well. Mean people. Now only the journey, the wealth, the authority, the power have revealed their reality. That is why you find genuine person, he is a beggar or a king, you will find him